Welcome back to this course. I'm going to walk you through how to use the eyedropper tool effectively. So what we want to do now is we want to actually change the color of this text to the color on this image here. So what we are going to do now is we've highlighted our text. We are going to go to font color. We are going to select the eyedropper icon. So we would click on this image that has color blue here, the image of this lady here. So you would notice that when I clicked on the image, you would see that the color of the eyedropper is showing us, the box here is showing us that the color of this image is blue. So once I select it now, the color of our eyedropper tool utility will change to blue. Have you seen it? So this is what the eyedropper tool can help us with. It helps us to keep consistency with our colors. But this is not the color we want to go for. We want to maintain the color of the fonts we have been using previously. So let's select the slide 5. We click on the box here, we highlight it, then we'll come to font color. We are going to pick the eyedropper tool. Then let's go back to the slide 7. So now, after we've picked the color here and we return back to slide 7, if we click inside the box here, highlight it, then go to the font color here, you would notice that the most recent color here is the color that we picked from the slide 5. So in a nutshell, the eyedropper to help us to keep consistency with our color. You can actually select images, color from any image based on your preference. So that's just that on the eyedropper tool.